Welcome to Stairway to English. In today's video, we'll help you improve your English listening skills with an easy and clear story. Why you should start exercising today. Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to practice English and learn new vocabulary about health and fitness. Let's get started and take a step up your English journey. Episode 1. Why exercise is the key to a better life. Exercise is not only for athletes or people who want to look fit. It is for everyone. Exercise is about taking care of your body and mind. It is about making a decision to live a better life. Many people think they do not have time for exercise. Others think it is too hard. But the truth is simple. Even small amounts of exercise can change your life in amazing ways. Exercise is not just about losing weight or building muscle. It is about feeling better, having more energy, and living longer. When you start exercising, your body becomes stronger. Your muscles work better, and your bones become healthier. You feel more active during the day. This means you can do more without feeling tired. Even walking for 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Exercise helps your heart pump blood better. This gives your brain and organs more oxygen. That is why people who exercise often think more clearly and feel more focused. Exercise is also a great way to take care of your mind. When you move your body, your brain releases chemicals called endorphins. These chemicals make you feel happy and relaxed. Many people say they feel less stressed and less worried after exercise. It can even help people who feel sad or depressed. Exercise gives your mind a break from daily problems. It helps you focus on the moment. One of the best things about exercise is that it gives you energy instead of taking it away. At first, you might feel tired after a workout, but if you keep going, you will notice you have more energy every day. You will sleep better at night and wake up feeling fresh. Your body will learn to use energy more efficiently. This means you can do more things without feeling tired quickly. Another powerful reason to start exercising is that it makes your immune system stronger. This means your body can fight sickness more easily. People who exercise regularly get fewer colds and recover faster when they are sick. Your body becomes more resistant to illnesses because exercise helps your cells work better. Exercise also improves your confidence. When you see progress in your body, you feel proud of yourself. You stand taller, you smile more, and you feel ready to take on new challenges. This confidence can affect all areas of your life, from your work to your relationships. People will notice your positive energy, and you will inspire them too. You do not need a gym or expensive equipment to start. You can begin at home, in a park, or even in your living room. Walking, stretching, dancing, or doing simple body weight exercises are all good ways to begin. The most important thing is to start small and be consistent. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing. Remember, exercise is a long-term investment in your health. It is not about quick results. It is about building a habit that will help you for years to come. If you stay patient and keep going, you will see changes in your body, your mind, and your life. This is why exercise is one of the best decisions you can ever make. It is a gift you give to yourself. A stronger body, a sharper mind, and a happier life. Episode 2. The physical health benefits of exercise. When you start exercising, your body begins to change in ways that can make you feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. One of the biggest benefits of exercise is that it helps your heart. Your heart is a muscle, and like all muscles, it becomes stronger when you use it. When you do activities like running, swimming, or cycling, your heart works harder to pump blood around your body. Over time, this makes your heart stronger and more efficient. A strong heart can lower your risk of heart disease, which is one of the most common health problems in the world. Exercise is also great for your lungs. When you breathe deeply during physical activity, your lungs get better at taking in oxygen and sending it to your blood. This helps you feel more energetic in your daily life. If you often feel tired or out of breath, exercise can help you improve your endurance so you can do more without feeling exhausted. Another big benefit is weight management. Many people struggle to keep a healthy weight, but exercise can make it easier. When you move your body, you burn calories. If you burn more calories than you eat, you can lose weight. Even if you don't need to lose weight, exercise helps you maintain your current weight and prevent future weight gain. This is important for your overall health and can lower your risk of diseases like diabetes. Exercise also helps your muscles and bones. As we get older, our muscles and bones can become weaker, making it harder to move and do daily activities. Strength training exercises like lifting weights or doing push-ups can keep your muscles strong. Weight-bearing exercises like walking or jumping help your bones stay strong and dense. This can prevent problems like osteoporosis, which makes bones thin and weak. In addition to physical strength, exercise improves flexibility and balance. Stretching exercises like yoga can make your muscles and joints more flexible. Balance exercises can prevent falls, especially as you get older. Good balance and flexibility help you move easily and prevent injuries. Another physical benefit of exercise is that it boosts your immune system. People who exercise regularly often get sick less often because their bodies are better at fighting off infections. When you move your body, your blood circulates more, helping your immune cells travel quickly and protect you from illnesses. Exercise can also help with better sleep. Many people struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep, but being physically active during the day can make it easier to rest at night. Your body needs to recover after exercise, so it naturally wants deep, refreshing sleep. Finally, regular exercise can make you look and feel younger. It improves blood flow, which helps your skin look healthy and fresh. It also supports your metabolism, helping your body use energy more efficiently. When you feel stronger and more energetic, it's easier to enjoy life and stay active for many years. The physical benefits of exercise are not just for athletes or young people. They are for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. You don't need to run a marathon or lift heavy weights to see results. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or dancing can improve your health. The key is to move your body regularly and make exercise a normal part of your life. Over time, you will notice the difference in how you feel, how you move, and how much energy you have every day. Episode 3. Exercise gives you more energy and better sleep. Many people think that exercise will make them feel tired. They believe that if they run, swim, or lift weights, they will have no energy left for the rest of the day. But the truth is different. When you move your body regularly, you do not lose energy, you gain it. Your muscles, heart, and lungs become stronger. Your body learns how to use oxygen better. This means that your body can do daily tasks more easily. You do not get tired as quickly as before. Think about a normal day. Maybe you wake up, go to school or work, and then come home. After dinner, you might feel too tired to do anything else. But if you start exercising, even for 20-30 minutes a day, something interesting happens. Instead of feeling more tired, you feel more alive. Your brain gets more blood and oxygen, which helps you focus better. Your heart pumps blood more efficiently. Your muscles can work longer without getting sore. This is why exercise is often called a natural energy booster. Of course, this does not happen in just one day. You will not run once and suddenly have unlimited energy. It is a process. The first few times you exercise, you might feel sore or a little more tired than usual. But after a few weeks, your body adapts. You will wake up in the morning feeling fresh. You will be able to do more things in your day without feeling exhausted. Even climbing stairs or carrying heavy bags will feel easier. Another powerful benefit of exercise is better sleep. Many people today have trouble sleeping. They go to bed late, wake up in the middle of the night, or find it hard to get up in the morning. Sometimes stress is the reason. Sometimes it is because we use our phones or computers too late at night. But often the problem is that the body is not tired in the right way. Physical tiredness is different from mental tiredness. If your brain is tired from work or study, but your body has been sitting all day, you may still have trouble sleeping. When you exercise, your body uses energy in a healthy way. Your muscles work, your heart beats faster, and your body temperature rises. After you finish, your body begins to cool down, and this sends a signal to your brain, it is time to rest soon. This helps you fall asleep more easily at night. Not only that, but your sleep becomes deeper. Deep sleep is when your body repairs muscles, stores energy, and balances hormones. Without deep sleep, you may wake up feeling like you did not rest at all. Exercise also helps control your body's internal clock, called the circadian rhythm. This rhythm tells your body when to be awake and when to sleep. If you exercise at the right times, usually in the morning or afternoon, your circadian rhythm becomes stronger. This makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the same times every day. Your body loves routine, and exercise helps create it. You might be wondering, what type of exercise is best for more energy and better sleep? The answer is almost any kind. Walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, yoga, dancing, all of these can help. The key is to choose something you enjoy. If you hate running, you don't have to run. If you like dancing, make that your workout. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you are to keep doing it. Also, try not to exercise too close to bedtime. If you work out very hard right before sleep, your heart rate and body temperature may stay high, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, do your exercise at least 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. This gives your body time to relax. Here's something amazing. When you sleep better, you also have more energy the next day. This creates a positive cycle. Exercise gives you energy, which helps you do more in your day. Doing more in your day makes you sleep better at night. Sleeping better gives you even more energy for the next day. It's like a loop that keeps improving your life. So, the next time you feel too tired to work out, remember this. Moving your body might be exactly what you need to feel more awake and alive. It may seem strange, but using energy through exercise actually creates more energy for you. It's one of the simplest and most powerful reasons to start working out. Episode 4. Sports can build your confidence and self-esteem. When you join a sport or start training, something amazing happens over time. At the beginning, you might feel nervous or unsure of yourself. You might think, I'm not strong or I'm not fast enough. But as you practice, you see small changes in what you can do. These changes slowly build your confidence. Maybe you start lifting heavier weights, running longer distances, or learning new skills. Every time you reach a goal, you feel proud. This pride gives you a stronger belief in yourself. You begin to think, if I can do this in sports, maybe I can do other things too. Confidence is not just about how you feel in the gym or on the field. It can help you in everyday life. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to speak up in class, ask questions, or try something new. You may even feel braver in social situations. For example, you might find it easier to meet new people or join group activities. Sports give you many chances to face challenges and overcome them. Each challenge you win makes you feel more capable. Self-esteem is closely related to confidence. While confidence is about believing you can do something, self-esteem is about how much you value yourself. Sports can make you feel more valuable because you work hard, learn discipline, and improve yourself. You might not be the best player on the team, but you are still part of something bigger. Your effort matters. You learn that your value is not only about winning, but also about trying, growing, and helping others. Team sports, in particular, can boost self-esteem in unique ways. When your teammates support you, cheer for you, and celebrate your progress, you feel accepted. You feel like you belong somewhere. This feeling of belonging is powerful. It can help you feel more comfortable with who you are. Even if you make mistakes, your team teaches you that it is okay to fail and try again. This helps you see yourself in a kinder and more positive way. Individual sports can also build confidence and self-esteem. When you train alone, you learn to trust yourself. You do not depend on anyone else to succeed. Every improvement you make is because of your own work. You learn discipline, patience, and focus. These qualities make you stronger both physically and mentally. You start to respect yourself more because you know how much effort you put into your progress. Another way sports help is by teaching you to set and achieve goals. Goals give you a reason to push forward. When you set a goal, like running a certain distance or lifting a specific weight, and then you reach it, your confidence grows. You realize that hard work brings results. This lesson is important not just in sports, but in life. You can use the same approach for studying, working, or learning new skills. Sometimes, confidence and self-esteem come from overcoming fear. Maybe you're afraid of competing, speaking in front of people, or trying a new exercise. Sports give you a safe space to face these fears. When you do something you once thought was impossible, you feel stronger inside. You begin to see challenges as opportunities instead of problems. Physical changes from sports can also play a role. As you get fitter, stronger, or more skilled, you may feel better about your appearance and abilities. This doesn't mean you have to look a certain way to be valuable. Instead, it's about seeing your own growth and feeling proud of the effort you make. Over time, sports can change how you see yourself. You stop focusing only on your weaknesses and start noticing your strengths. You learn to celebrate small wins. You also learn that mistakes are part of learning, not a side of failure. These lessons stay with you even outside of sports. They help you in school, work, and relationships. In the end, sports can be a powerful tool for building confidence and self-esteem. They teach you to believe in yourself, value your efforts, and keep going even when things are hard. Whether you play on a team, train alone, or join a fitness class, the journey will help you grow in ways you might not expect. The more you challenge yourself, the more you will discover your true potential, and the more you'll believe in it.